Hindi sana ako mag-vlog ngayon, kaya lang may biglaang plano si Danny Boy. In-invite niya yung mama niya at saka yung stepdad niya dinner bukas, guys. So, napa-shopping kami. We just got home from work. So, nag-shopping na din kami, guys, sa mga kailangan sa bahay. We got rice, prawns. So, kasama to sa family dinner bukas. Lulutuin ko yan, garlic prawns. So, magsi-seafood kami kasi binigyan ako ni Manay ng lobster. Binigyan kami ni Manay ng lobster. Tapos sabi niya, yung lobster para kay mama mo. So, yun. And I got this leaf salad. Yan. Kasi magsasalad ako, papatulong ako sa kanya bukas. We got walnuts kasi hindi ako marunong magsalad eh. And para sa salad din yan, guys. Pear para sa salad din. And we got butter para sa sauce ko mamaya. Papatulong ako kay Manay. And this is for my dinner tonight. It's pork belly bites. This is so good. Sabi dito, i-oven siya. Pero I will actually put this in the air fryer. And then, oh, I got this. This is the vanilla cream crown. So, para ano ko, breakfast ko with my coffee. So, dyan ka, bukas ka. We have orange mango para drinks bukas. And then, banana. Bumili si Dian ng banana. Gusto niya daw mag-banana smoothie. And we got dalawang milk as well para sa banana smoothie ni Danny Boy. At least may laman na yung fridge kasi lagi yung may laman. Parmesan cheese. Yan, para din sa salad yan, guys. And we got the honey apple cider para sa salad din. So, salad dressing siya. We got sesame oil para sa sauce ng aking lobster. Coriander para din sa sauce ng lobster. So, yan, ilalabas ko yan. Yung sauce kasi lulutuin ko na siya ngayon para dire-diretso na bukas. Kasi I'm working tomorrow as well, guys. We got ginger para sa sauce. We got cucumber para sa salad. And yeah, yung ibang ingredients ng sauce, meron naman ako. Eh, nakalimutan ko na kung paano ito lutuin. Tatawagan ko si Manay, magpapatulong ako. Tinext ko na siya kanina, sabi ko, tawagan kita kasi may bigla ang family dinner bukas. Gusto kasi din ni Dan lutuin agad yung lobster kasi ang dami nang binigay ni Manay, nakakaloka. Thank you, Manay. As in, sobrang thank you. Wala nang space yung freezer namin. So, sabi niya, lutuin na natin to. I-prepare ko muna yung ingredients before ko tawagan si Manay para ready na lahat. So, I will need ginger and then garlic. Para naalala ko, sobrang daming garlic daw. And then, ito, paminta. We need brown sugar. Pero kapag wala kaming brown sugar, okay lang yan. Okay, so i-cut ko lang to. Yung garlic ko, liliitin to. Ginger liliitan. Okay. Alright, let's do this, people. Guys, may itatry pala ako. I got this from eBay. Meron kasi sana akong video na gustong gawin. Yung trying $1 kitchen tools from eBay. Kasi lahat ng mga binili ko tagwa $1 lang. Pero hindi ko nagawa-gawa yung video. Isa to sa mga kitchen tools na nabili ko from eBay, guys. And it is supposed to peel the ginger. So, ganito siya o yung picture. Ilagay mo lang daw itong maliit na metal sa kamay mo. Tapos makakapil siya ng ginger. And $1 lang to. So, magkano yan? 45 pesos. So, meron siyang parang claw dyan. Yan. Igaganon mo siya. Tapos, itong metal, parang i-wrap mo sa yung finger. Wait, mali. Ito yung sa kabila. Ayan. Yeah, tingnan natin kung mag-work, guys. Ooh, okay. Kasi di ba pahirapan to, okay, it actually works. Okay. In fairness, nag-work siya. Kailangan mo nga lang siyang ibalik, tapos, wait. Ilak natin ng maayos. Mas maganda siya kasi maliit lang siya. Kasi di ba yung kutsilyo malaki, tapos medyo pahirapan pag peel ng ginger, especially ginger. So, ito. Tapos nakukuha mo talaga yung yung gilid-gilid. As in, nakukuha mo talaga gamit yung ano niya. Parang claw niya. Okay. Uy, guys, in fairness ha, for $1, maganda to. And free shipping din to kasi lahat ng pinipili ko sa eBay yung mga free shipping. Patagalan nga lang siya dumating. Kaya nga siguro nakalimutan ko na to eh. Hindi ko natuloy na film. Pero in fairness ha, as in nakakaano talaga siya o nakakapil talaga siya ng ginger. Maganda to sa mga sobrang, alam mo yun, sobrang daming curve ng mga yung ibang ginger. Guys, naluto ko na yung sauce. Kausap ko si Manay kanina so hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Pero ito na yung sauce, guys. Ito yung sauce ng lobster. Sobrang sarap. I-message niyo si Manay kung gusto niyo yung recipe. Kasi feeling ko gagawa siya eh. Feeling ko gumawa na siya pero hindi pa niya na-upload. And my pork. Luto na siya, guys. Pinakita ko ba sa inyo kanina yung box? Pork belly bites galing Coles. And luto na siya. Yan, in-air fry ko lang siya ng 17 minutes. Check natin kung crispy na yung kanyang ano. Yes, crispy na siya, mga kaibigan. Okay, okay na siya. Yes. Okay, tapos yung ano natin, sauce natin is toyo mansi. Tapos lagyan natin ng ano, chili. So ito, toyo mansi. Yan. Oh my gosh. Si Dan tumakbo na, guys. Hindi pa ako nakabihis. Si Dan, yung dinner niya siguro, magto-toast lang yun, guys. Kasi balik diet na siya. Hindi siya makapag-diet kinamanay kasi sobrang sasarap ng food. Hindi mo naman maiwasan yung pagkain dun. Ito yung toyo mansi ko from Mother's Best. Yan. Sarap nito. And then, wait. Magbihis lang ako, guys. Para relax na relax yung kain natin ba. Dito na si Dan, guys. Yeah, I did.
It's smoky.
I know it is smoky. How's your run?
Good.
Mwah.
It's really smoky.
Yep, it is really smoky, my love. Hala, may spider, babe! Ano na, spider? Hala, sige, takbo, takbo, takbo. Yung mga ganyan, hindi ako natatakot sa mga ganyan eh. Diba yung iba sobrang takot-takot sa spider? Ako hindi ako natatakot sa mga ganyan, pero kapag worm yan na ganito kalit, takot ako dun. Guys, tapos na yung laundry. Ay, si Dan sana yung ano nito eh. Kasi siya yung nagsabi na mag-laundry ka. And alam niya kasi na ayoko na siya yung gumagalo ng laundry. So sabi niya mag-laundry ka. Pero ako yung magsasampay. Or sabi niya tutulungan kita. Kasi nag-edit pa ako ng video. Daw natapos ko na naman siya. Tapos tumunog to. So sabi ko sige na nga ako na lang. Para bukas hindi ako mainis pag nakita ko na hindi nakasampay ng maayos.
Action.
Hi guys! Kakarating lang namin ng bahay. Naglagay na ako ng Sprite dito sa ating prawns. Yan, imamarinate lang natin siya. Hinugasan ko na din yan. And then, our sauce is there. Ito na lang. Ito. Lobster guys, dalawa. Lalagyan natin to sa oven. So yung oven natin naka-ready na siya. 180 degrees Celsius. Celsius? How do you pronounce it?
You said it correct. Celsius.
Celsius. What time is your mom coming?
Tonight, anytime.
Okay. So we need to. Where should I put this? I think we gotta divide it into 3 or 2.
I gotta cut it in half.
Cut it in
I'll
half.
cut it in half. You know how to try to cut it in half?
Yeah. Guys, ito yung ginawa kong sauce kahapon. Recipe to ni Manay, guys. Hindi ko alam kung kailan niya pa ma-upload. Pero yung channel niya, Chona and My Kids, sobrang sarap nitong sauce na to, guys. And tinuruan niya ako kahapon. So, thank you, Manay. Ito yung pinaka-sauce ng ating lobster. Yan. So, kinat ko lang siya in half. Ilalagay mo lang to. Yan. Sobrang yummers na nito, guys. Yung oven natin kasi ready na. Wait.
That look good.
Yeah. That look really good.
I thought trying to cut it in half.
What do you mean cut it in half? Lalagay ko lang yung sauce, guys. Kinat ni Dan sa middle. Yun pala yung ibig niya sabihin. So, kinat namin sa middle para madali lang kainin mamaya. I actually need to fill it with sauce.
Why?
Just because the sauce is good. But I can always like keep the sauce as well for future because I made way too many. But yeah, we will pop that in the oven. Ito guys. Wait, I'll put that at the bottom.
Oh, you have to, the tray, yeah.
Yeah. Ouch! Chaka.
You put the fan first or not? Worry about it.
Not fan first. Like that. And that should be ready.
Okay.
Under here. Ituin ko na yung prawns guys kasi nandito na sila. Madali lang to, butter, shrimp, tsaka garlic. Ito. Hello!
They just think I leave the door unlocked.
Sorry?
They just think I leave the door unlocked.
What?
No, but why do you even ask? The door's unlocked. You think we leave it unlocked normally?
I don't know anywhere there's a guy if you not let me say that again. You might have no clothes on or something.
Hello.
Hello.
How are we?
Good.
We look nice.
Thank you. Haven't changed yet.
It's better change if we do anything.
Nah, it's alright.
I'll get oil on your top. No, I
It's
go.
fine. I mean,
Look at this.
Oh, yum.
Yes.
Oil. Wow. How's your day been?
Good. We do not know how to make the salad, so.
That's alright.
We got the ingredients. I'm not sure if it's right.
Well, what it is, alright?
Why would you want the ingredients?
It's there.
See, I'll give it. I know how to do it.
You buy coriander for that as well? Or you,
For this,
you dip it off?
I haven't yet, but I will.
Did you forget?
Nope. Did you go home after work?
Yeah, I've been started changed. Yeah.
Yeah.
The week of that.
Yeah.
You brought wine.
I can make it. You want to read? This guy?
Nah.
No, she won't.
Nah.
Bowl?
Hmm?
Bowl?
Which one?
Seven.
Yeah. We have a glass one. Do you prefer glass?
I think no, plastic food. I'm not fussed. That's a people.
A Red Bull. I will.
Yeah, I wasn't struggle on that. Regret it. No rush. You're going anywhere.
It's not gonna. Nah.
That's true.
It's good.
Yeah, look at that bloody chef you are. I won't put
No, I'm
you
not a
on.
chef.
I won't put you this one on. This one is good.
Alright, I'll change my time. Ginawan tayo ng salad ni Mommy, guys. Meron siyang lettuce, walnut, cheese, cucumber, pear. Looks good. And then ito na, yung ating prawns. Yes, all finished. Thank you, my love. Nagdala din siya ng wine. Ito na siya. Tempranillo. I need the sauce. The sauce is good.
So the tail we've already cut in half, sort of thing. So grab a tail and you share it with Pete.
It's hot.
Oh, that's quite.
You got a camera posture. Oh, you like this?
I can have the head. But you can grab that.
That's your tail as well. Yeah.
Careful, there's spikes.
Yes. Spiky girl.
So it's yeah, I made it, but it's Chona's recipe.
Yeah, it's a good recipe.
It's really good.
Yeah, the vendor is tender, so if you go on holiday when you retire, you'll be fine still. You come back.
You want to try the orange thing?
Go on holiday.
Yeah, you know what? It's your favorite. There's no
No,
You can have something.
it's I think it's eggs. It's eggs. It's a bit weird, isn't it? Yeah.
This is like at daytime, you're going to see more at daytime. This one. And nighttime the lights. That's why I did that. And the next time, the 9/11.
Nakaalis na sila guys. Kakaalis lang nila. It's 8:30. Yung sauce na sobra na sauce, ilalagay ko siya sa container guys kasi i-keep ko yan. We don't have a lid for this. Or have this. We can freeze this babe. Si Dan at saka yung mama niya nagdebate pa guys. Nagdebate silang dalawa. Lagi silang nagdedebate. Loka talaga si Danny Boy. Hindi pa naman nagpapatalo. Trabaho pa naman yung bukas. Hindi namin napansin yung oras. Sarap ng sauce. What do you think about the dinner, babe?
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Thank you, China.
Oo nga, Manay. Salamat. Thank you. Sobrang nagustuhan nila yung sauce, Manay. As in. Sobra. Sabi nila, ang sarap daw.
Thank you, Raz, as well.
It's alright, babe. Thank you, Manay. Sila na bahala sa, dishes. Ako, mag-edit ako ng thumbnail. Let's put this in the freezer. Char. Dako ako ni maglawas, babe. Dako ako ni maglawas. Dako kaglawas? What did I say?
Looking fat.
Sorry?
You're looking fat.
No. I said your muscles looks big. Wow. Kinakain niya yung guys, leftover na prawns. Konti na lang naman kasi. Ikaw bahala sa laundry, sa dishes, babe, ha? Tapos tayo, balik natin yung chair. Guys, i-close ko na tong vlog kasi mag-edit ako ng thumbnail. Ay, tatanggalin ko yung makeup ko pala, guys. Mag-edit ako ng thumbnail. At saka yun na yun. Yun na yung vlog kasi may work pa ako bukas. Pero thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Good night. Mwah.